we can set up a Polygon Vertex Count Visualizer, which will color the polygons according to the vertex count. This is very useful to see what is going on with our geometry. Do we have some triangles or Ngons that might be interfering with some of our modeling operations? For example, let's say I want to insert an edge loop over here, and it's not going straight through. Same with up here perhaps. Alright, so let's see what's going on with our geometry. In the panel to the right of our scene view, we have a visualizer button, a visualizer menu. So right click on that, and then where we have the scene visualizers, click plus to add a new one. We will select color to add a color visualizer. For the color type, set that to Polygon Vertex Count. You'll notice the colors that the polygons will show up in. Triangles will be yellow, quads will be this blue color, Ngons will be red. Now of course you can modify those colors, but I'll just leave it as is. Click close. Now with the visualizer enabled, we can see the polygons being colored in the 3D scene view. Now what's nice about this is that I can continue modeling. So for example, I can insert an edge loop over here. That's going to turn that one triangle into a quad because it now has 4 vertices. And as you can see, that updates live as we model. Same thing with the Ngon that shows up in red. That's an Ngon because it has more than 4 vertices. Let's say I go and model here with the poly split tool. I will split those edges. Those polygons now turn blue because they are quads. So since this is a visualizer, we can toggle that. We can toggle all of the visualizers. You can right click on that menu and toggle that scene color visualizer. I love using these visualizers in Houdini. It's very fun to have these color visualizers as you go in and model and clean up your geometry.